Cedric. I go to Thorne Elementary School and I am in the 5th grade. Businesses in the food supply chain must share information back and forth to keep food on the store shelves and to keep the food safe. Agencies like the FDA and USDA monitor the flow of products. One way a farmer keeps the chicken safe is keeping them at the right temperature. Finally, I learned that temperature sensors are used at several safety control points all the way from the farm to my fridge. Today, I learned how pasteurization is used to make milk safe to drink and have a longer shelf life. By heating raw milk for 15 seconds and then quickly cooled to 39 degrees, bacteria are killed and cannot reproduce. If the temperature of the milk is maintained at 41 degrees or less, it will be safe to drink for about 3 weeks. Using an IoT board and a temperature sensor, I assembled and programmed a device to remotely monitor the temperature of the environment. I created a project and topic in Pub and Sub, which allows me to connect the Google Cloud to my device and then view my temperature data. From here, I create mobile notifications if the temperature were to get too high or too low. I would be notified on my phone and I could check to see what was wrong before all of the inventory spoiled. I now understand how IoT sensors protect the food supply chain. I found this activity very difficult.
Overall, I thought this exercise was both engaging and rigorous for students. They were able to push themselves to levels they didn't think they were capable of. The students were able to use hands-on learning. Students took leadership roles, and they were able to work together and solve these problems in order to get their machines to work. Taking these in-school applications and then being able to apply them to the real world is what really made this whole program successful, and the students were very engaged.